So you might be having some problems where for some reason your share your location is not working on your iPhone. Now, this can happen for a couple of different reasons. The very first thing that I'd recommend doing for the most part is making sure that your location sharing is even enabled and on your iPhone. So what this means is you want to make your way over to your iPhone settings. So come right into here. You want to scroll down until you find that little option that says privacy. So there should be something like location and privacy or privacy and security, which is right here. And right up here at location services, go ahead and enable this and make sure your location services are on. If these are not on, if these are off, then that's basically going to be the main problem you're going to run into. So go through, make sure this is basically enabled. Now another thing, you also have to make sure that your share my location is also enabled. So when you're back inside of your settings, you want to tap onto your name that's at the very top portion right up here. You want to tap onto Find My, which is right here. And what you want to do here is where it says Share My Location, you also want to make sure this is enabled. So go through, make sure Share My Location is enabled, because once again, if this is disabled, then that's really not going to go ahead and actually fix it for you either. Now, if that's still not working, you might have to go through and basically enable your location within each individual application you're trying to share your location in. So go back into your settings, find your application manager, find the application that you're trying to go through and share your location in. Let's say it's just Facebook. And wherever there's a panel that says something like location or anything like that, go ahead and enable your location here. And that's another way to go and fix this problem. And if that's still not working, you can try restarting your phone, you can try updating your iPhone. But those are kind of the main ways to go and fix this problem for the most part. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.